Watching your digital ad revenue tick up is a satisfying feeling, but right now, that revenue is locked in a server. Until you extract it, that virtual money can't buy groceries. This checklist shows the exact 5-step pipeline required to transfer funds out of Google's ecosystem and directly into your bank account. Before we start moving down the list, you need 3 things on hand: a valid government ID, your bank's routing information, and access to a physical mailbox. Missing even one of these administrative steps creates a complete blockade. Your earned revenue will sit trapped in the system until every single box is checked. The entire payout journey officially activates the moment your account balance hits $10. Crossing that $10 mark triggers this dashboard alert. It is your first major requirement, submitting your tax information to Google. There is a strict rule to note here. If you are monetizing on YouTube, you must submit this tax data regardless of what country you actually live in. Next comes identity verification. Once Google prompts you to confirm who you are, a 45-day countdown begins. You must upload your government ID before that window closes to keep your account active and your ads running. After your identity clears, you have to verify your physical address. Google mails a physical envelope containing a personal identification number, or PIN, directly to your mailbox. Because this travels via standard post, you can expect it to take about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. From the date that PIN is generated, you have exactly 4 months to retrieve it and use it. You'll take the 6-digit code from that mailer, log back into your AdSense dashboard, and type it straight into the address verification prompt. This 2-step verification process clears the highest hurdles in the pipeline. It establishes a secure firewall to ensure the money routes to a verified human and protects your account from fraud. With your identity locked in, you need to tell the system exactly where to send your cleared funds. This drop-down menu shows the financial instruments available for your region, which typically include direct electronic funds transfers or wire transfers. Now we arrive at the final barrier before a payout is authorized, the payment threshold. For most accounts, this minimum is $100. Looking at this diagram, you'll see a critical structural rule. AdSense earnings and YouTube earnings are kept in entirely separate payment accounts. These 2 revenue streams do not combine. Each individual account must cross the $100 line on its own to trigger a payout. If an account falls short by the end of the month, the balance simply rolls over into the next month and accrues until the threshold is finally met. Many creators add their YouTube and AdSense totals together, see a number over 100, and wonder why they haven't been paid. Understanding this strict separation clears up that confusion. Once you cross that $100 threshold at the end of the month, your money enters a designated waiting period. This calendar shows the processing sequence. Hitting the goal on January 31st doesn't mean an instant transfer on February 1st. First, earnings must clear finalization. Once processing ends, Google issues the payment between the 21st and the 26th of the month. That specific timeline only executes if you've completed all the verification steps we just covered, and there are no administrative holds on your account. The system operates on a rigid mechanical calendar cycle. Complete the setup accurately, wait for the processing window, and the transfer executes. When you finally see the payment sent status appear in your dashboard, your setup pipeline is officially complete. As these smoothly spinning gears illustrate, the process is fully automated from this point forward. Every month your account meets the threshold, the machine triggers a payout without you lifting a finger. To reach those payouts faster, you can check the Optimization Tips page on your AdSense dashboard for personalized strategies to accelerate your revenue generation. The administrative plumbing is finished. Now your only job is to increase the flow of revenue moving through it.